Hey, welcome back to AI Fit Life. Today I am showing you how to count your calories completely free using Google Gemini. No app needed, no payment needed, just your laptop and this one free trick. Most people fail at losing weight because counting calories is boring and complicated. Today I am solving that problem forever in just 2 minutes. Go to gemini.google.com. This is completely free. You do not need to download anything. You do not need to pay anything. Just open it in your browser. Now, here's the secret trick. Click the camera icon inside Gemini, upload any photo of your food, then type this exact message. How many calories is this food? Please break down the protein, carbs, and fat for me in a simple table. In just 5 seconds, Gemini looks at your food photo and gives you everything: calories, protein, carbs, fat, all in a simple table, without typing a single food name. But it gets even better. After Gemini counts your calories, type this: I want to lose weight. Based on these calories, what should I change about this meal to make it healthier and lower in calories? Keep it simple. Now, Gemini becomes your personal nutritionist. It tells you exactly what to change about your meal to lose weight faster. This would normally cost you hundreds of dollars from a real nutritionist. You just got it completely free in 30 seconds. You can do this for every single meal, every single day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Just take a photo and ask Gemini. Your diet becomes automatic. Here's my challenge for you today. Go to gemini.google.com right now. Take a photo of your next meal, upload it to Gemini, ask it how many calories it is, then tell me in the comments what Gemini said. I read every single comment and reply to all of them. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Fit Life for more completely free AI fitness tips every week. See you in the next video.